Hi everyone! In this video, we'll be replacing the hood release cable on a 1990s Audi A6. Here's the backstory. We tried to open the hood by pulling the handle, but nothing happened. Most likely, the cable snapped somewhere under the steering column. We took some parts apart here, and now you can see what's left of the old hood cable. Looks like it broke right at this spot, and a piece of the cable is still hanging on the release handle. We've already bought a brand new replacement cable, so now let's try to swap it out. But first, we need to figure out how to open the hood without the cable. We're going to try reaching in through the front grille with a wire hook and try to pull the broken cable. After a few attempts, we were finally able to open the hood. We inserted the hook between the rubber trim and pulled the cable, which moved both latches holding the hood shut. There's another way to open the hood without using a hook. You can crawl under the car and try to reach the left and right latches by hand. Push them inward, and the hood will pop open. Or you can pull the broken cable in the center to move both latches at once. We start by disconnecting the cable from the first latch, then do the same on the other side. We also loosen the coolant reservoir a bit to make it easier to thread the new cable through the guide bracket. There's a rubber grommet that we removed, along with a second seal where the cable goes into the cabin. Now we can slowly start pulling the old cable out. The old cable is out. Make sure not to lose any small parts. We'll need them for the new cable. Now grab the new cable. Ours is from JP Group. Here's the part number in case you're curious. We start feeding the new cable from the engine bay into the cabin. Remove the small clip that attaches it to the release handle, then thread it through the first guide into the cabin. Now we've pulled the cable through under the steering column. This is how it attaches to the hood release handle. Next, we carefully routed the cable through the engine bay and connected it to the first hood latch. Then, we guide it through the area where the second latch is. Some of the original clips are missing. We install the latch connector that pulls the cable and then secure everything using the provided clamp. Once the clamp is on, we tighten the cable to remove any slack, secure it with a bolt, and trim or fold the excess. Now that the clamp is tightened, we test the entire system. Pull the release handle and check if the latches are moving to release the hood. As you can see, both latches are working properly. That's it. Job done. Nothing too complicated. See you next time in the next video.